Yo, it's Bissell. I know it ain't easy to admit when you're wrong. And a lot of us walk around like, wonder. We ain't got nothing to ask for forgiveness for. So for those that struggle with it, I go first. Lord, forgive me for taking you for granted, playing you for a fake and mistaking you for Santa, aching for the steak and not thanking you for manna, straying when I have and just praying when I have not. Lord, forgive me for running to the paper, chasing the cash when plans are coming to you later, hoping you forgive me, feeling like I know you gon' forgive me, so for now I'm going for the milli. Forgive me for the times I made a promise and lied, saying I promised to God, not being honest at all. Forgive me for taking advantage of women. Forgive me for claiming I'm saved and happily sinning. Forgive me for the times I was in the strip club.
Alright, line doing the thing, dude, trying to do a backflip. Just do it, hurry up, hurry up.
Try again. Do it again.
It's cause I'm black.